won't sign my son's jersey. I said, hey, Kobe, prove him wrong. And Kobe kept talking. Then Kobe stopped, and he turned around, and here comes Kobe Bryant. And he's running at me, and everybody behind us who was saying he's not going to come, they became believers that day. Robert, he got his jersey signed. The Mavericks gave Robert a pair of tennis shoes. It's surrounding yourself with people, and then every Maverick player that ran out signed his tennis shoes. Why am I telling you this? Because so many people was in our ear saying, it's not going to happen. You're going to hear that the rest of your life, no matter who you are, unless you surround yourself by people who believe in you. I am so surrounded by people who believe in me. The young lady standing by, RJ, her name is Erica Simon. Let's give it up for Erica. Erica Simon is so important in my life because not only is she a friend, but when I started talking about the giving movement and wanting to be able to help people, I do back to school drives. So anybody that needs something for back to school, you know, we're giving out backpacks and we're giving out food and we're getting ready to open up a food pantry so that we can feed the hungry. But Erica Simon was the vice president of Countrywide. She had 450 employees up underneath her, making quite a bit of money. But when you surround yourself by people who believe in you, Erica called me one day and she said, Cheryl, I just want you to know I really, really believe in you. And I was like, okay, that's great, I love you, and I'm glad you believe in me, and I'm glad you're my best friend. And the next thing I knew, she said, guess what? I resigned from my company. I said, you did what? She said, I resigned from my company. I said, Erica, you were the vice president of Countrywide, huge mortgage. You've got 450 employees, and it's just me. I don't have a lot of money. I just have a lot of faith, and I have a lot of hope, and a lot of dreams. I can't pay you what Countrywide is paying you. I don't even pay myself. I haven't gotten a check. My check and what I get paid is when I look into your eyes, and you're screaming and you're yelling, that's my pay. And I can't take that to the bank. If I took your smile to the bank, they can't even cash the check for what your smile is worth to me. Wow. They can't. And so Erica said it doesn't matter. And so every single day, Erica comes into this office and she sits across from me, and we call the schools and we call different people, and we're calling the Mark Cuban saying, will you help us change our world? And what I'm telling you today is that surround yourself. Start looking around you right now where you sit. 6th graders, 7th graders, the 7th graders, the 8th graders, if they weren't here, they would be doing you. Right? So what I want you to do is remember that you were once a 6th grader. How can you be a leader to the 6th graders here? And then 6th graders, when you become 7th graders, why don't you embrace the new people that come in?